Can I use an Apple gift card to make in-app purchases?
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of Apple gift cards. One common question we often hear is, can I use an Apple gift card to make in-app purchases? The short answer? Yes, you can. But let's delve a little deeper into how this works.
What is an Apple gift card?
An Apple gift card is essentially store credit you can use in Apple's various digital and physical stores. This includes the App Store, Apple Store, iTunes Store, and more. These gift cards are great for buying anything from the latest iPhone to your favorite song on iTunes. But what about in-app purchases? Let's get into that next.
Can I use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases?
The simple answer is yes, you absolutely can. When you redeem an Apple gift card, the amount gets added to your Apple ID balance. This balance can be used for various purchases across Apple's digital platforms, including in-app purchases. So, if you have a game or an app with premium features available as in-app purchases, you can use your Apple ID balance, funded by your gift card, to unlock these.
How do I use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases?
Let's walk through the process. 1. Redeem your Apple gift card. You can do this either through the App Store or iTunes Store on your device. You'll find the option to redeem gift card or code in your account settings. 2. Check your Apple ID balance. Once the gift card is redeemed, the amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. 3. Make an in-app purchase. Go to the app where you want to make a purchase. Select the in-app purchase you want to make, and when asked for payment, your Apple ID balance will be used. Remember that any purchases you make will be deducted from your Apple ID balance. If the cost of the purchase exceeds your balance, you'll have to supplement it with another payment method. In conclusion, Apple gift cards are a versatile option not only for purchasing apps, music, movies, or Apple devices but also for making in-app purchases. So, next time you get an Apple gift card, remember that it's more than just a ticket to new apps or music. It's also a key to enhancing the apps you already love with additional features and content. Hope this clears up any confusion. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy your Apple experience.